Good afternoon, everybody. What we're looking at now is a July CSEC 2021 paper 2. This is question 2B, and it reads as follows. It says, Ali is X years. Jim is 5 years older than Ali, and Chris is twice as old as Ali. All right, so here it is. We're asked to do a few things. It says, write expressions in terms of X for Jim's age and Chris' age. Well, Jim is simply 5 years older than, so Jim is 5 years older than Ali, and Ali is X. So we're looking at X plus 5. So that's Jim's age, X plus 5. All right, Chris' age. Chris is twice as old as Ali. Twice as old as Ali. Ali is X, so Chris is simply 2X. Right? All right, so Chris is simply 2X. And with that, you get these two easy 2 marks. All right, the second part of that section says, in 2 years' time, the product of Ali and Chris' age. So we're talking about 2 years from now, the product of Ali and Chris will be the same as Jim's present age. All right. Then they want us to show that X, so that this represents the information given above. All right. So let us quickly write out what we have. So 2 years from now, we're talking about Ali and Chris. So 2 years from now, we're talking about X plus 2, and X plus 2 will represent Ali. All right. And 2 years from now, we're talking about Chris, which is 2X. So it's going to be 2X plus 2. And so this is what we have. So this is the product right now, all right, of Ali, Chris, 2 years from now. All right. So they're saying that this is supposed to be equal to Jim's present age, the square of Jim's present age. Remember, I know that Jim at this moment is X plus 5, right? And what we want to do, we want to square his age. We want to square his age. It's 5 squared. It's this equation that we have. When we simplify it, we should get this. All right. So let's quickly file this out. And in filing this out, we're going to go X times 2. We're going to X times 2X, and then we're going to go X times 2. Then we're going to go 2 times 2X, and then we're going to go 2 times 2. All right, so let us file that out quickly. All right, let's go for that. X times 2X, we're going to get 2X to the second power. I'm going to write that soon. And then we have X times 2. That's going to be plus 2X. And then X times and 2 times 2X, we'll get 4X. And we're going to get 2 times 2, we're going to get 4. All right. So we're having these values on the left side here, except this is a square. So let me put on my square here right now. Right here, this is a 2X squared. All right. All right. So we have 2X squared plus 2X plus 4X plus 4. And we're saying that this is going to equal to this. So when you square this, we're going to have a X times X. So we'll definitely have X to the second. Let me put that on early. X to the second power. And then we're going to have 5 times X and double that. So 5 times X and double that, that's just going to give us 10X. It's going to give us positive 10X. And then we have 5 times 5, positive 25. All right, so there we go. That's what we have right there. All right, so we have X squared plus 10X plus 25. All right, so if we simplify this, basically, we want to, in short term, we want to get this on that side, get this on that side, and everything. When everything comes across, definitely we know that the signs are gonna change. So what we're looking at is 2x squared, and then this is going to be a minus x squared. So it's going to be x squared. All right. 2x squared minus x squared. We're left with x squared. There it is. So we're left with x squared there. And then what else? The 10 and the 6x on this side, we're going to get minus 4x. All right. So we're talking about negative 4x. And then the 25 come across, negative is going to be minus 21. Nothing is on that side, so it's equal to 0. Basically, we would have confirmed this, all right, right here. All right, so it was really what they say. All right, let's jump to the next question, right? Calculate Ali's HR. Let's go back to see what this is. So we're looking at, let me see if we could. So we're looking at x squared minus 4x minus 21 equals 0. So, all right. So let me write down this quickly. So if we have x squared minus 4x minus 21, and that is equal to 0. Let me put on my square and my x. You with me? All right, so x squared minus 4x minus 21 equals 0. If we're asked to find Ali's age, remember Ali's present age. Ali is x. Remember, we found out that Ali is x years old at current. So if we factorize this quickly, you got to know to factor at x minus 7 and close bracket, we're looking at a x plus 3, right? And this is equal to 0. All right, so that's what we have when you factorize this. When you factorize this, this is what you get. If you should expand this, you're going to get exactly this. So basically then, what are our answers? It's either, we're referring to the answers that we're looking for, either, all right? So either this piece is a 0, so we're talking about minus a 7 is equal to 0, or pull this all the way over, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. And from this, we can see that, hey, x is equal to 7, all right? Positive 7, that is. X is equal to positive 7 is also equal to negative 3. So we'll talk about it. So x is equal to negative 3. Definitely, if we're referring to the age, all right? The fact that we're referring to the age, we can't have a negative age. This is not practical, all right? Can't have a negative age. So the answer would have been Ali is 7 right now. We're just finding the value of x. Ali is x, or Ali is 7.